pretty cool. You're getting your exercise today. Are you okay? You're getting a little reddish on your face there. You okay? Oh my gosh, it's a serpent! That's not real. Nah, it's not real at all. Touch it, it's not real. Oh wait, it is real. She's also a master of the dark arts. See what I told that lady over there? Which way do you want to go? That way? Okay. See that? We got to see the highlight of the whole event, which was touching the snake, and we didn't even have to wait in line. That thing's going down in the Chamber of Serpents pretty good. Yeah. Well, we did it. Falafel.
Great.
Hey, $500 a week.
You were right.
Part-time internet modeling. That's me. What? Aw, where? Maybe it's later. Let's go to Flamecrest Academy. It's just the elementary school. It's right down here. Yeah, that's where they're teaching all the classes. How to make potions. Stuff blows up. It's great. You said I did last year. I don't know if I did. No, I'm good. Yeah. Flamecrest Academy. This is it. We made it. Walk like a troll. What's that? Okay, look. Defense against dark magic. I better not go in there. Potions, I can go in there, though. And herbology. Bet there's a water fountain in here. The loyal and the ambitious. Did you eat a water fountain or anything? No? Okay. I have no idea where we're going. There's a water fountain! Oh, awesome. That's perfect. Well, we just made a big circle. We just made a big circle. Go. Yes, it is. Yeah, they do have one. That's right. Oops, we're going the wrong way. That was cool.
Yeah.
Well, yep, good. At least we know what people are. Yeah, I think we got it all. We know what people are into, that's for sure. Yep. It's like Disneyland without the $1,000 spent. What's that? Yeah, I think we've seen it all. Except for broom ball. Don't know where the broom ball is. Maybe they're up there in the sky. I remember last year, the lady was on the football field. She's like, "You guys want to do a broom ball?" Like, it's 95 degrees. No, thank you. No, I don't think so, but thank you very much. Yeah. Well, hello, Connell. I thought I'd run into you. Good. Did you get terrace parking space?
I did not.
Oh, come on. Let's do it. So, I see you got a wand.
Yep.
Did they let you flick it first? They asked us to flick our, like, can we flick this?
That was dangerous for him.
You don't know my friend Steve, huh? Oh, and Fiona.
Oh, hi.
Yeah.
That's a pretty name.
Yep. We've been friends for 20-some years. Yeah, something like that.
You moved to town or something?
Yeah, I was at the observatory last night. We're thinking about you.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah,
Carrie keeps saying she's got to get back up there.
Yeah, Rob says hi.
Okay, I'll let her know.
Yeah. I was wondering if you guys were coming. So we just went to Flamecrest Academy. That was pretty cool. I couldn't go in because they have this thing called Defense Against the Dark Arts. Just saying,
Right.
I'm a practitioner of the dark arts, so I can't go in there. And but we did get to see the Serpent. Did you guys see the Serpent?
Yeah, we
A
did.
real
Did you
one.
get to touch it?
Yeah.
Yep.
Awesome.
So yeah, they had like a couple of them.
Cool.
We were going to go see if we could catch the magical blades. What was it?
Is that what it is?
Oh,
Something's going on. There's tickets. And there's
Lady of Blades.
Ah,
Mm-hmm.
that sounds like fun.
Yeah.
All right. Well, enjoy yourselves.
Yeah. Hey, we're having a little party for Patrick later this afternoon. His graduation.
He's doing something today. My one friend has his kid's first birthday party today, but I actually have to work. My friend at work is getting married.
Oh, wow.
So it's like 7 people get to go to his wedding, and everybody else has to work. Because he works there, you know. So it's like, so Doug is doing his job, and I'm doing Doug's job tonight. So I'm not even 10 at bar. But thank you for the invitation.
All right,
yeah, tell Patrick happy birthday.
We'll do.
All right.
Graduation.
Or graduation.
Yes.
Yep.
I'm getting it confused.
Yeah.
Tell him happy graduation. Bye, Fiona. Oh my gosh, I know. That's awesome. I know. Why everything on the 22nd of June? I have no idea. Yeah. Oh, go to Aunt Elaine's birthday. Yeah. That's far for her too. I mean, like she lives. And Aunt Bev likes to drive. Oh yeah, that's true. She would have ridden along with them. Yeah. All right. So back home. I want to see the other side of the sign. Wizard Rock. Giant Games. That's something about Giant Games. I wonder if it's a giant chess set. But I don't know where it would be. This was fun.